Hi everyone. Welcome back to the second episode of the historical village of Unionville. If you have not watched the first episode, please visit our channel and see our previous video uploads. Next, we are going to see the outside view of Varley Art Gallery of Markham, an art museum. The gallery was named after Frederick Horseman Varley, an artist who was a member of the famed Canadian Group of Seven. It presents exhibitions of historical and contemporary Canadian art and offers educational programs all year round. Now you are seeing the Crosby Memorial Community Center. It is in the heart of Unionville on Main Street. It was built in 1928 and it was named after the Crosby family who came to Markham in 1806 and established as farmers and a landowner. Now we are seeing the Unionville Curling Club, a privately owned 4-sheet curling club located in Unionville. The club was founded in 1919. Now we are seeing the library building of Unionville. Another attraction in Unionville is the Toogood Pond. Now we are going to see the pond. This is a park near the pond, and for children there is a playing area. Now you are seeing the pond. Surrounding the pond, there are beautiful walkways for a leisure walk. It is quite enjoyable. The pond is home to many Canada geese, ducks, fish, and other wildlife. Unfortunately, we couldn't see much of them. Now we are going back to the main street. For a delicious dinner, there is a variety of restaurants on the street. Fun fact, there are several movies and TV shows that were filmed in Unionville. Let us drive through the Main Street of Unionville at dusk. We hope every visitor from outside Toronto and those who are living in Toronto area would enjoy an evening in the Main Street of Unionville. Explore the beauty of Main Street, have mouth-watering ice cream, enjoy a delicious dinner, and walking through the Toogood Pond walkway is a really worthwhile experience. For outside travelers who want to stay overnight, another good hotel option is Hilton Toronto Markham Conference Center. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do for more interesting and informative videos. Thank you for watching.